Alright, doing a bonus break of Luxury Suite. We sold some spots through the website. And Blue Nick's mine. Could we do the recording too? Luxury Suite, bonus break, everybody's here. Let's do it. Four packs of goodness. That's right. I was sick of other guys having all the cool graphics. Yeah, that's right. I should do the teams, eh? You want to do it after the fact? Okay, let's do teams. I can switch out the packs now. I'm just high on life, my friend. Just high on life. Alright, so here's everybody here. AC had 6 spots. Oil Fan has 6 spots, 17 with 2, D52 Bet with 4, Ninja Kier with 4, Nick with 4, and Ice with 4. And then model everybody up a bit, we'll throw you into the list randomizer. 5 times. Good luck, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I even allow for trading after this. Copy. Assuming you guys want to trade. Paste it here. Why it keeps doing this lately? Open up to the 23rd again. Grab the teams list. Copy. Five times. 1, 2, 3. Maybe. There we go. 4. Count 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Winnipeg at the top. Devils at the bottom. Everybody else in between. That bold up into that bold, did Wait, Oil Fan has Winnipeg, D52 Bet has Tampa, Oil Fan has San Jose, D52 Bet has Nashville and Vancouver, 17 has Calgary, AC Racing 4 in a row, Minnesota, Buffalo, Anaheim, and Edmonton, Oil Fan with Pittsburgh and Detroit, Ice with Columbus, Oil Fan with Boston, Ice with Phoenix, Washington, and the Islanders, D52 Bet with Ottawa, Keeter with Dallas, 17 with Montreal, AC Racing with Toronto and Chicago, Oil Fan with the Rangers, Nick with Carolina, Kier with Philadelphia, Nick with Colorado and LA, Kier with Florida and St. Louis, Nick with the Devils. You guys want to do any trades? I'll leave it open. Let me just switch to the screen here so I can actually see what's going on. You guys want to do any trades there? I wonder sometimes about random.org, to be honest. If it sometimes just regroups things. I honestly think the Excel randomizer is a little better than random.org, but that's just me. Panda fell asleep, I think. He's getting old. See? Every minute. Every minute. Are they trading? Nine? Anybody? Anybody? Pens for Oilers? Good to go? Pens for Oilers. Okay. Where are your pens? 11. Right? I think that's it, right? Nobody else? Back to the break that I tried to start a second ago early. Oh, sorry. Vancouver, Montreal. Sorry, I'll leave that for 1 second. See if D52 wants that. That one proposal in under the wire there. Right? Proposed and accepted. Alright. Now let's try to do this break. Checklist. Put away the Zenith checklist. We don't need them anymore. That is my only box of Luxury Suite aside from the one I have running on eBay. What did it say? Tomorrow night. So that one obviously I'm not gonna rip. This is a thick pack. Look at them to the end. I love Luxury Suite. I think it's a solid product, personally. Thick, that's right. The first card for the Floridian Panthers, Dadonov out of 899 rookie. Come on, focus. Come on, there we go. I do. For the Calgary Flames out of 899, Carlson. For the Dallas Stars, dual jersey, number 5 out of 599, Ott and Barch. Steve Ott, Chris Barch for the Dallas Stars. Redemption, rookies, group 3, card number 159. See who that is? I might be wrong, but I believe 159 near the top there. Alexander Vasunyov is with the New Jersey Devils. It doesn't matter. They will honor it. Panini will honor expired Luxury Suite redemptions. Just call them. Tell them that you have it. They have it. They'll do it. It's Upper Deck that won't do most of theirs. For the New York Islanders, Trevor Gillies, rookie out of 899, just for you, Ice, a goon. For the Buffalo Sabres, Thomas Vanek, jersey swatch out of 599. 599 Vanek. And a good timing again for the Chicago Blackhawks. But jersey prime jersey or jersey 9 plate out of 10, numbered 7 out of 10. Prime jersey. Jonathan Toews for the Hawks. Good, you're storing them up. Pack number 3. Again for the New York Islanders. Goaltender out of 899, Kevin Poulin. Poulin for the Islanders. For the Washington Capitals, Trip. No. Like and Fair dual jersey out of 5.99. And for the Carolina Hurricanes, trips on it. Cam Ward, Carolina, jersey, prime jersey. I don't know how that's a prime jersey, but they say out of 150 on the back. Last pack, the thick sucker. Bursting with goodness. Alright. First card for the Boston Bruins, a rookie out of 8.99. Jamie Arneal. Next card, also for the Boston Bruins, a man who's Zenith 1 of 1 we have pulled. Matt Bartkowski. Matt Bartkowski. For the Chicago Blackhawks, a jersey swatch out of 5.99. Marian Hossa. Chicago's doing alright. Hossa. Hossa. A decoy. And last but not least, for the Vancouver Canucks, a nice one. Retired signatures out of 199. Richard Brodeur. King Richard. There you go, 17. That's a nice hit. Hard sign, Brodeur. That's a very nice hit. That is it for the box of Luxury Suite. I'm in this break.